So it's been a busy few weeks and nagsugod ko vlog. Tataod na and mga vlogs akong i-upload for today. Kanang tagi-tagi, kanang bili siya in order. Wala siya maka-complete as usual. Kay kanang na-busy man ko niyan. I have the time right now to vlog because the thing is class is over and I fucking hate it because I didn't do good. Pero let's not talk about that. Kanang karong kasama mga next weekend. No. Absent-minded mako. Karong Tuesday, Wednesday mag-travel me to Sydney, then we'll head to Fiji for a wedding. So I have time to do my vlogs and time to edit daily vlogs also. So I'll try my best to upload daily vlogs. And you guys just medyo na delay sometimes, but I'll try my best to put out a vlog for you guys. And also I want to do it myself, so it's gonna be fun. We'll have a chill holiday and mag-shoot to make wedding set. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna make two vlogs, one English and one Bisaya vlog. So nasa Pika's channel na to ang English na vlog, but we'll see how this thing goes. But other than that, I'm happy to announce that I'll be traveling. And with traveling, there's a lot of videos, lots of memories to be made. So I'm really excited. Let's see how this goes, guys. So padong na may lakaw and ganina akong buhok nagkurhag, nagkalag. Dapat naggalo ko kay kanang I need a haircut pero wala pa ko mag-haircut. So anyway, kanang padong na may lakaw and see you in a few if I'm gonna be vlogging today. Basi putol-putol na sa ning vlog na ko today, but I'll try my best. And so abot na migikan sa adventure dito may kanang Costco and nagkuha may mga stuff and got our ID. Yan naman may ginaanik para ato mo ni siya. And some other stuffs there, but anyway, karon kay balik ko sulod magkuhan ko sa akong files yan, naglaba ko sa laundry. So we're leaving in a few days. Karong Tuesday sa buntag, then Wednesday mo flight, so we have to be ready. Tangang makaigbato nun. I hope di ni mas stress ang mong biyahe. But anyway, as of now, it's still okay. We're still doing good. And hopefully maka-updating ko. But for now, anyway, I'll try to get myself together and give you a good vlog, guys. Pero karon murag ganitong vlog, may klaro. Sige, yun siya na. Pa-cute na lang ko. Ay, wako ka-into sa Bisaya, but first stop din namo sa mong Sydney drive. It's around 1 hour plus na kung driving, and I'm gonna fill up here sa gasolinahan dire kay barato ang gas. So let's fill it up. First stop at the foodery. Just taking a break now, and we've gone an hour and a half or an hour and 20 on the drive. That's it. What the heck? Okay. Stop over mi nga rin sa Binala. Stop over mi nga rin sa Winton, and tanaw na now. So dihira ko nagstambay sa auto kay mag-take kong mga pictures kadali and mag-take kong videos kadali, but agil lang ko nga rin kadali. I've been here before pero wala kay ko ka video, but now mag-video na ko. So muna nag-vlog ko karon. 4 ka oras drive. Yeah.